What's up, you guys? It's Jasmine. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm just going to show you guys how my attempt to do the infamous frontal ponytail turned out. I really wanted to give this look a go, so I decided to go ahead and try it out. So by any means, this is not a tutorial. It is basically me showing you guys exactly how I do it. I've seen a few videos on YouTube and I just went ahead with it. Now, because this is my first time, I really did learn a lot from doing this. So I will just share with you guys some of my tips on making sure that you don't kind of do the same mistakes I did. So before you get started, you want to make sure that your client's hair is straight. She was natural, so I had to blow dry her and flat iron her. So if your client does not like heat, is natural, and don't want their hair pressed, this is not the style for you. I'm just telling you right now, because when you're doing this type of style, you guys, you really need the ponytail to be sleek. So you need to like make sure everything is straight so that it goes into the ponytail nice and sleek and it's not poofy. So with this method, you want to go ahead and do the stock methods, the cap method, and poke a hole through the ponytail so that the stocking cap will fit. And you pretty much do the same thing you would do when you're installing a frontal. The only thing with this technique that I found very weird was I was sewing onto her hair, and I've never done anything like that. That just was just weird to me. I'm really like, I need an anchor, I need a braid, but go ahead and just sew it back. I know some people glue it down. Some people don't glue it down the back of the frontal. They just glue the fronts and then pull everything back. But I really wanted this to be secure, and this was my first time doing it, so I figured let's just sew it down in the back. So once you sew it down, I'm going ahead and just cut away the excess cap. Tip number 1. You guys see, I should have used a rubber band instead of a hair scrunchie. You can see her hair is in a hair scrunchie. So I slicked her hair up and everything before, and it's not tight enough. And you guys, it was turning a little white in the back. So be careful of the products that you use. I just used like some edge control, and then I was just using all kind of stuff to try to get that hair to be sleek. So make sure you use the proper products to use on natural hair so the hair don't flake up. I don't know what to tell you because I don't really do ponytails, being honest with y'all. So what I ended up doing was getting a rag and just wiping it off, and then I started over. I think I used like some spritz or like some hairspray and blow dried it up so it can look a little more sleeker, because once that gel and stuff settled into her hair, it made it turn white a little bit. So apply your frontal how you always do, you guys. I have tons of videos on how I do my frontals. I am using adhesive. I'll link it below. And I did 3 layers, and I'm just pressing it into the skin, and pretty much everything is self-explanatory after this. The hair that I'm using is from my collection at Classy Crowns. Be sure to check that out on Instagram and classycrowns.com. If you guys have any questions, always leave them below, and I will be doing more videos like this. I really enjoy doing this install, but I want to try something different, but I'm going to do a frontal ponytail. So let me know below, you guys, what kind of videos you want to see, and then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.